Welcome back to Go Ahead Teach. In this video, I'll be showing you how I package my orders to send out to my customers. I got a new gadget. It's called a clothes folder. I know some people may say it's lazy, but it's one of the best things I found on Amazon, and it helps me fold so much faster. You would think working in retail for a couple of years I would have folding down pat, but I don't. Alright, first thing, of course, you want to make sure the shirt is lined up. Then you want to fold the excess at the bottom so there is nothing hanging off the bottom. And then you are going to fold one side, then the other, and then finally, of course, fold it in half, and boom, like that. And of course, if you're a perfectionist like me, you're going to adjust it still just to make sure it's to your liking. Using this gadget has made it so much easier for my tees to fit into the plastic sleeve because your girl was struggling. I would be spending too much time trying to fit these shirts inside the bag. Alright, let's see it again. Again, center the shirt, fold it at the bottom, left, right, and in half. Bam! There you go. Of course, I'll be leaving the link to this little gadget here, the clothes folder, in the description box below. Alright, let's see it one more time. Make sure you get the lint on. You don't want to hand nobody that was all dusty and rusty. You don't want to give them a dusty, rusty shirt. Boom. So simple. Y'all see how fast? I mean, obviously I sped it up, but it still was fast, you guys. Alright, so here are the plastic sleeves that I was talking about. Again, you can get those off Amazon. I will leave the link in the description. But why y'all about to just slide this baby on up in there? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Alright, so now after I place it in the plastic bag, we will remove the plastic that is covering the adhesive so we can fold it and close it shut. There we go, like that. And then I have to do the other two for this order. I'm not sure if you all noticed the lint roller in the corner, but that lint brush is extremely important, especially with these black tees because they pick up so much lint, more than what you would think. So when I press the tees, I also make sure that I roll the lint brush over it to get rid of that excess lint. It also makes it easier for the vinyl to adhere. But that's something you want to definitely get is a lint roller. If you want the particular lint roller, I can put the Amazon link below, but you can get a lint roller from, of course, just about any grocery store, or you just may have one around the house in general. With these packages, I got the 9 by 11, I believe. Again, I will put the dimensions in the link below, in the description box below. And you want to make sure that you are getting that air out of these bags, because if you have to put more than one bag in a polymailer, meaning more than one shirt, then it makes it a lot more difficult if you don't press that air out. So try and press all the air out the bags, get all the air out the bags before you package them into the polymailer. Alright, this is the last one. This was late at night, you guys, when I did this. Them late night orders. And I'm a night owl, so I always end up doing orders extremely late at night. But I be getting tired quick with these orders because I've already cut them with my Cricut, I already pressed them, now I'm folding them, and then after this, I have to ship them, make the shipping labels for them. This t-shirt hustle game ain't no joke, but the money is worth it, and the impact is great. Alright, so I finished all 3 of these. I got my being black is my love language, the relief, being black is my love language, being relief with my Kamala Keisha, and Black Lives Matter. And of course, you gotta top it off with a thank you card. Thank you guys so much for watching.